Making money with eBay dropshipping involves selling products without holding inventory. Instead, you list items for sale on eBay, and when a customer buys, you purchase the product from a supplier who ships it directly to the customer. Here's how to get started. Find a profitable niche. Research and choose a niche with demand but low competition. Focus on products that are lightweight, inexpensive, and easy to ship. Popular niches include electronics, fashion, home goods, and health products. Select reliable suppliers. Partner with suppliers like AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, or Walmart who offer dropshipping services. Choose suppliers with good ratings, fast shipping, and quality products to maintain customer satisfaction. List products on eBay. Create compelling eBay listings with high-quality images and detailed product descriptions. Price products strategically by accounting for eBay fees, shipping costs, and your profit margin. Market your products. Use eBay's promotions and advertisements to drive traffic to your listings. Optimize listings with the right keywords to increase visibility in search results. Fulfill orders. When an order is placed, purchase the item from the supplier, who will ship it directly to the customer. Provide excellent customer service to boost ratings and encourage repeat buyers.